Welcome to our new video series about what it takes to build a craft brewery. This is the site evaluation, and it's the first step in evaluating a customer's property to determine what it will take to physically put a brewery in there and determine whether the property is even eligible for putting a brewery in. This is the Hot Plate Brewing Company in Pittsfield, Massachusetts, and this is one of the first visits to the site. And you can see I'm looking at all kinds of things such as this short knee wall. How will we get the tanks into the building? We've got this glass and aluminum vestibule where the most likely area for entry to the building is, and this will have to be removed. And we're thinking about things like what's the floor made of? How does it transition? We're also looking at the beams, the ceiling. How are we going to get the tanks into the building? How are we going to lift them up and upright them? Because often they are on their side. Is there something in the ceiling that we can attach our rigging to? And as you can see here, we've got a suspended drop ceiling. We've got a partial plaster ceiling. Not a lot of things to rig off of. We're also evaluating the floor. By this time, we will have already had an AutoCAD floor plan figured out, and we're walking around the site, seeing how that all lays out, what pieces of equipment would need to come in first, and what challenges we might run into with the site. This is our opportunity to stop any unforeseen stuff that might cause a problem down the line, something that could generate cost or could cause us problems during the install week, because we don't have a whole lot of time, usually 1 week, to put everything in. This is a close-up of a core drill in this particular floor. We're looking at what is the floor made of. Is there a basement below it? Will it support the tanks? Has there been structural engineering done? All these factors all come together to help us determine whether a brewery should even be put in a space.